In this video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card inside of your Samsung Galaxy A03S. So it's very simple. It can be done in just a few minutes and I'll show you how. So let's get started. So take your phone facing you and the SIM card slot is over here on the top left corner. You see there's a small dot here. It's actually a hole. And in the box with the phone, you should get one of these small tools. If you don't have it, if you lost it, just take a paper clip or also a needle. It should be small enough to go in this hole over here. So what you will need to do is insert it in the hole like this, and then you're going to need to press. So by pressing, we're going to release this holder. And we're going to pull on this SIM card tray completely. Okay, so now we have this SIM card tray. You're going to take the SIM card and it will go over here in this first slot. The other slot over here is for a micro SD memory card. So this is different. Don't put it there. So the biggest problem is that many people don't know in which way they could put this SIM card. But it's very easy. Let me show you. So you see the SIM card has a cutout over here. There's 90 degrees corners, but one of them is cutted like this. Well, the SIM card as well has this cut. If we take a look here, here we go, we have this cut and all the other corners are at 90 degrees. So what we need to do is to simply put the card and align the cutted corners of both of them. So let me put it in my hand. It's easier like this. Or if you have a table, it's easier. And simply align it this way. You won't be able to put it the wrong way. Put it like this, since the cutted corner needs to be aligned. Like that. And it should stay flush with this card holder. You see? Okay, so once you've done this, all you need to do is to insert it back. So align it and push it slowly until it's completely flush, like this. Then I always suggest that you open your phone and you restart it. To do so, simply keep push on the power button during 2 or 3 seconds until you see these options appearing. Press restart once and press restart a second time. It will then restart and you will be able to use the SIM card that you just inserted. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.